Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome to class 6 Mathematics, chapter 13 Symmetry. Today again I am going to give you assignment, and this is your assignment number 2. In this assignment I have given you filling the blanks, true false and MCQs. After that I will tell you the solution of assignment number 1. Okay? So first of all, see the assignment which I gave you today as the homework. These are the filling the blanks. 7 filling the blanks. Then question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. Now question number 3. MCQ, multiple choice question. Six parts are here. And now I am going to tell you the homework solution of the assignment number 1. Question number 1 was, is there any line of symmetry in the given figure? If yes, draw all the line of symmetry. Yes, there is one line of symmetry. When we join the opposite vertex A and C, then we get the line of symmetry. It has only one line of symmetry. Okay, I have made it with red dotted lines. Question number 2 was, in figure PQRS is a rectangle. State the line of symmetry of a rectangle. We know that in rectangle there are two lines of symmetry. One is vertically and one is horizontally. There is no diagonal line of symmetry in a rectangle. So name of vertical line of symmetry is AC and horizontal DB, or you can say BD. Okay, so AC and BD, these are the two line of symmetry of a rectangle PQRS. Question number 3. Write all the capital letters of the English alphabets which have more than one lines of symmetry. Letter H. Letter H has two line of symmetry. I also has two line of symmetry. O and X. These four letters have two line of symmetry, more than one line of symmetry. Question number 4. Write the letters of the word mathematics which have no line of symmetry. In the word mathematics, there is only letter S which has no line of symmetry. Otherwise, all the letters has one or more than one line of symmetry. Okay, so your answer is S. Write the number of line of symmetry in each letter of the word symmetry. For every letter you have to write down the number of line of symmetry. Now see, S. S has no line of symmetry. Y has 1. M has 1. Then E has 1. T has 1. R has 0. And Y I have told you earlier, it is 1. Match the following shapes and the number of line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. Square, 4 line of symmetry. Kite has one line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle, 3. Rectangle, 2. Regular hexagon, 6. Scalar triangle, 0. Okay, check your answers. Now see question number 7. Open your geometry box. There are some drawing tools. Observe them and complete the following table. Name of the tools are ruler. How many line of symmetry a ruler has? A ruler has two line of symmetry as it is in the shape of rectangle. Divider. Divider has one line of symmetry. Compass. Compasses has no line of symmetry. It has 0 line of symmetry. Protractor, one line of symmetry. Triangular piece of two equal sides. as it has two equal sides, that means it is an isosceles triangle. And yes, isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry, so it also has one line of symmetry. And triangular piece with unequal sides, in which all the sides are unequal, zero line of symmetry. Next was complete the figure so that the line L becomes the line of symmetry of the whole figure. See, I have completed it with the red line, red boundary. Okay. Ninth is same, complete the figure taking L as the line of symmetry of the whole figure. Okay. Have you checked your homework now? So your today's homework is to do assignment number 2 of chapter 13, symmetry. Thank you.